When it comes to cooking versatility, Primo offers some quality accessories that, in my opinion, are a must-have if you own one. For those of you that enjoy low and slow smoking, these racks and deflector plates work well for diverting heat and make for a great place to set your drip pan. Their half-moon shape makes them perfect for times when you want a direct heat zone as well as an indirect one. When I grilled these chicken wings, I was able to get them crispy over direct heat, then move them over to the indirect zone when it was time to baste them with barbecue sauce. For even more heat zone separation, this Firebox Divider lets you bank your coals to either side of the grill. To achieve searing temps, Primo offers a cast iron grate which is able to sit even closer to the coals. This is ideal for getting a good sear on your steak. I also like using a multi-level setup like this so everything comes off at the same time. If you enjoy griddle-style cooking, this flat plate is nice to have on hand for cooking something like crispy bacon or building a nice crust on your steak. To expand your grilling real estate, this extender rack accessory adds another layer of versatility. I was able to crisp my bacon on one side while allowing these peppers to soak in some good smoky flavor. By the time the bacon was done, the peppers were ready to be stuffed and I was able to bake them without worrying about the bottoms being charred.